Now let's move on to the healing of Mother Earth. We, first of all, pay our sincere thank to do so we doing healing of Mother Earth now. We pray to the Supreme Lord to grant us the wisdom to care for Mother Earth. O Supreme Lord, grant us the wisdom to care for Mother Earth. Help us to act now for the good of future generations and all your creatures. Help us to become instrument of a new creation. We thank you, O Supreme Creator, for the goodly heritage you offer us, from green downland to the deep sea salt, and for the abundant world where we share with your creation. Keep us so mindful of its need and those of all with whom we share, that open to your spirit, we may discern and practice all that making for its well-being. We pray for the Mother Earth. We all convey our divine blessings, our love to Mother Earth. Feel Mother Earth as the power, the supreme power, who is the mother of everyone, all living creature. I see the divine form of Mother Earth in the format, very beautiful format, where I see her as a divine mother who is so loving, so caring, and she is the divine mother of all the three trinities described in Hindu scriptures: the creator, Lord Brahma, the operator, Lord Vishnu, and the destroyer, Lord Shiva. We feel that the mother is so divine and so loving that she is caring for all of us. She is suffering a lot because of the bad things we are doing. We are not caring for the environment. So we pray to Mother Earth, "Oh Mother, we feel very sorry for what we have done. The humanity has done to you. We have not done so good to the environment. So we are very sorry for that. We pray to the Mother Earth. Please fold your hands and pray to Mother Earth. Mother Earth, we are so sorry that we have not been doing the right thing to you. Whatever we were supposed to do, we have not been good in this functioning. All the human beings are not caring for your needs, and you have been suffering a lot because of our mistakes. So we are very sorry for that, and we convey our deepest gratitude for all the blessings that you have been giving to all the human mankind, to all the greenery, the deep sea, the land, the environment, the trees, the sky, the water to drink, air, all the five elements that you are providing. Thank you so much for everything you have been giving to us, oh Mother. We convey our deepest gratitude to you. Please accept our gratitude. We are so thankful. You are so loving. Feel yourself in the lap of Mother Earth, as if you are sitting in the lap of your mother and hugging it so much, so tight and so loveful. In your embrace Mother Earth, as if she's your mother, and very loving, very cute, very sober. Try to embrace her and convey your deepest gratitude for Mother Earth. You are so loving, Mother Earth. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for all the pain you are taking for us, for all the negativities you are suffering for us, Mother Earth. We love you so much. We love you so much. We know that you have been suffering because of us. Let all my positive virtues be dissolved unto you, and you get totally healed. We want to see your smile, that you are smiling again. See that Mother Earth is now smiling, and she is very happy to get the love from its children, from her children. Mother Earth is very happy, and she is very loving, very beautiful smile she is passing on to all of us. Thank you so much, Mother Earth. Thank you so much. She is blessing to all of us, giving lot of blessings, and we pray to her that we will try to do the best of whatever we can for the benefit of mankind and the benefit of Mother Earth. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can rub your hands and put it on your face and be thankful to Mother Earth and yourself, who is so loving and so kind that you have been doing the great thing to Mother Earth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She is feeling very happy, very loving. I'm now reciting the Shanti part. So it's in Hindi as of now, but this is so beautiful that we have to be. So let's do this Shanti part.
शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्म